Good morning, dear student. After reading Unit 2nd on violence, we are doing the conferencing check of the textbook. Dear student, textual question answer and answer the following questions in about 60 words. Here, first question is, how does education contribute to our violence? शिक्षा हिंसा को जीतने में कैसे सहायता करती है? आंसर इज एजुकेशन कैन मेक ए पर्सन रियली ब्यूटीफुल, हेल्दी, सैन, रेशनल एंड नॉट ए ब्रिस्टल मैन. It can help bringing about a new society, new world and a new culture. It can help a person shun outward cruelty in the name of religion, self-importance, etc. It can generate love, kindliness, generosity, charity and consideration for every being. In these ways, education can help fighting violence. Next question is, what are the author's view about the old and the new culture? Dear student, लेखक के पुरानी और नई संस्कृति के बारे में क्या विचार है? लेखक के क्या विचार है? Answer is, the author opines that the old culture is dead and buried, and the culture has built a society based on violence. It has caused all the confusion and misery. The old culture has produced this world, and all culture has produced this world. The author opines that the new culture should have love, kindliness, generosity, charity, and consideration, etc. There should be no fighting on gods, religion, self-importance, security, and etc. Dear student, next question is, how can the world of nature be best enjoyed? Answer is, a man should be aware of the beauties of nature. He should be aware of the beauty of rising sun, hills becoming saffron, the lovely blue sky, singing birds, and cooking of a cuckoo. It is possible when our mind and heart are open. We are not frightened and we are not longer violent. Next question is, when does life become a terrible business? Answer, life becomes a terrible business when it is without love, without affection, without charity and consideration. When a man is in contact better with himself, with his wife, his children, his neighbors and God, etc. When he is in sorrow and confusion, he fights in the name of gods, in the name of religions, in the name of self-importance, and in the name of the security of the family, etc. Next question is, next question is, how does J. Krishnamurti point out the dangers of violence? Dear student, answer is, J. Krishnamurti points out the dangers of violence by mentioning physical and involved violence. Dear student, in physical violence, a man hurts and kills others deliberately. In word violence, a man battles not only with himself but also with others. He also points out the violence at word lived for ideology, religion, nation and nationality. There is violence among husband, wife and children. Dear student, these are long type question answer and write it in your notebook and memorize them. Thank you.